Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a quick unboxing of Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. I'm gonna show you what accessories can we find inside the box and how the device looks like. So let's get right into it. Let's open the box. There we go. Of course we have our phone as a first thing. So let's take it out. We're gonna actually move to the device later. I'm gonna put it aside just for now so that I can show you what we can find inside first. So of course we have this additional box here. So let's take it out. Nothing inside here. But with this box, if we take a look at the back, we have the pin ejector for the SIM tray. In here we can also open this box. And inside we have the USB cable, which is USB-C and USB-A. So it is not USB-C on both sides, on both ends. Of course, we have some papers, like the quick start guide and warranty card, as well as the safety information. And of course, a plastic back for our device. We have a plastic case that we can immediately use. It's quite a big of hole in the middle for the camera, of course. Now this is pretty standard for Xiaomi devices in general, so pretty cool that it is also included here. And nothing much left. Alright, so now that we have this covered, now let's move to the big boy over here. So here is our Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, and now I'm gonna try to open it. There we go. Here is our device. The cameras are actually quite big. There we go. And let's take a look. So of course, it's quite shiny. We have 4 camera lenses. We can also read a text over here. Let's try to get the focus. It cannot focus on the text over here, but oh, there we go. So we have 200 megapixels camera with some AI features apparently. This is the front. We have curved front display. And let's see, at the top we have, I assume, speakers over here. Come on, focus, don't do this to me right now. There we go. So I assume those are speakers. But I'm gonna check that later actually, because I'm not sure. Now of course on the right side we have volume buttons and the power button. There is nothing on the left side. And let's take a look at the bottom. So over here of course we have the SIM tray. We have the microphone, the charging port or USB-C port, and speakers. And yeah, this is how the device looks like. It feels quite heavy as well, a little bit, compared to other devices. So it's pretty solid. And that is about it. As you may have noticed, there is no power adapter, so if you are looking for one, you will have to purchase it individually. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.